chop them down. That is amount of water. There's nothing you can do with this but throw it out. And we're going to do the same to the other 3. Chop them down. Actually, there are 5. Now what we're going to do is going to try to take the root up, and we're going to store it away for winter. This is canna lily. We chopped it down. We're going to grab our best. Then you can see how well they rooted in. You just can't pull them up. You're going to have to dig them out. We can save these for next year. I don't have a lot of paper to do this, so I'm going to do my best to do what I can do. Put them in the box. That's it. Really that simple. Now it is time to take care of the canna lily. And you can see the canna lily, all the growth. Look at all the roots, all that bad boy. So I got a lot of taking care of. Get the roots out. Can't just, you know, hey, I want to replant. Can't do that. This is a small one. I don't know if that's salvageable. I don't know if any of these are salvageable in the container. But there they are. These are little bulbs. You're gonna wash them up, clean them up, do something with these. Now that is a bulb, and that is a bulb from one right there. That's an awesome bulb. Wash this bad boy up and clean them up. You just snap the stem, and there you go.